Creating cinematic videos like this is easier than ever using the new Fall Assets feature. Even my dog is excited and is breakdancing on the couch behind me. I hope we all enjoy that. So any image or video really that you create is now available to view in an incredibly beautiful new grid view. This is the core of Fall Assets. You can then take different images and videos and sort them into collections, which makes sense usually if you're trying to put together a certain project and keep all of those assets together. You can now reference any of these assets when you're creating new videos, like we did for this example here, and the whole workflow has been massively streamlined. Let's look at the workflow in detail. So here we are on the Fall Assets page, and we can scroll up and down and check out all the different images. We can change the size to make them bigger and smaller. And our goal right now is to create a collection of images that we want to turn into a video using Seedance 2.0. So at the top here, let's go ahead and create a new collection and give it a name. And now I'm going to scroll through the different storyboards that I created. I batched them in 4 and I made a bunch of different styles. And I'm just going to select the ones that I think look the best and that I want to turn into a video. And I'm going to right click them and then add them to the new collection that I made. Now that we've collected a couple different storyboards, we can view just this new collection and review what assets, and in this case storyboards, that we've added. So next, let's go put this collection to work by turning these images into videos. We're going to head over to Seedance 2.0 Image to Video, and in our Image tab, we can do Add Images, Search Assets, and you'll see that our new assets are here. We can scroll down and navigate to our collection, and there are the storyboards sorted for us, and we'll pick the one that we want to start with. I'm going to paste in the prompt, which if you know this technique, the prompt for making the storyboard and the prompt for making the video sort of have to match. We could cover that in a different video, but we're going to send this off. We didn't need to download the image and upload it. We just used Fall Assets. It just makes things a lot smoother when it comes to workflow. So let's send this video off and take a peek. So pretty interesting results. I would probably do a couple more, maybe tweak the storyboard a little bit, but that's not the point of this video. Let's go ahead and get rid of that storyboard. Again, I'm going to go to Add Images, Search Assets, go back to my collection, and I'm going to choose another one of the kind of key storyboards that we selected and send Seedance off to make another video. Here's what it looks like. Pretty cool, this storyboard technique in Seedance 2.0. I mean, pretty much agentic filmmaking at this point. I like it. Let's do one more, and this is the black and white version. So to me, the gallery and collections and then using them as references in other endpoints, other video image models, that's the core functionality that I want to use for Fall Assets. And feel free to look at some of the more advanced features. When you upload your images or generate them, they are going to get text descriptions. You can sort them by some keywords there. You can make smart descriptions if you want to get advanced. Maybe we'll cover this in future videos. But the last feature I really want to cover here as a filmmaker, and one that I'll be using all the time, is characters. So if you want to have consistent characters and not have to, again, be finding the reference images and uploading all the time, you can just simply do that on the Fall Assets platform now. So let's make a new character. It's going to be me. Give it a name, upload some of the reference images. For me, it's just going to be this one low quality headshot. I should probably get better images for when I'm doing my own videos, but for this example, it works. I'm going to type in a description and hit create. And so now we have the matte jacket character. So now let's go put this new character to work, and I'm going to head over to OpenAI GPT Image 2, and we're going to add image, search assets, and we'll see there it is, our brand new character. You can search through the different characters if you have a bunch, but this is going to make it really easy to keep referencing the consistent characters for our projects. Send this off, and I'll show you the results. Great, so nothing groundbreaking there as far as using an image of a person and then referencing that to make other shots. However, this just illustrates how it streamlines and makes just simpler. Keeping track of multiple characters using fall assets means you don't have to be constantly uploading them from your computer, or you can be, sharing this with a team, something like that. The whole thing is a lot easier now. So that wraps it up for our first look at fall assets. It's an incredible addition to the platform, and in pretty much every video I'm pretty sure that I'll be making, I'll be using this view to review how I created the images, maybe put them together, maybe kind of make little storyboard collections, and then use that, of course, when I'm generating videos. So you're going to see fall assets all the time in the videos I'm creating in the future. And let me know in the comments below if you're interested to see some of the more advanced features for sorting and organizing and making dynamic views. It's pretty cool, but I wanted this first version of it, this first tutorial, to be kind of easy and the most commonly used features that I would be using myself. That wraps it up for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.